how to withdraw money from Dabble. So here's a step-by-step guide on how we can do it. Funds can be withdrawn directly to your chosen bank account via bank transfer by following these steps. We just have to click on the settings cog on the app, and we will choose the withdraw option in the menu. Then we have to tap on add new bank account to add our bank account, obviously, and fill out the required boxes, and then select add bank account to save the details. Once we have a bank account connected, we can tap on the amount that we wish to withdraw from our available balance. So you will be able to see your available balance here, and we can decide how much we want to withdraw, and tap on the account that we wish to withdraw to. So here, as you can see, it looks like this. We can choose the amount and we'll press on withdraw. Funds can only be withdrawn directly to your chosen bank account via bank transfer. And customer service team will not be able to add any bank account details or process any withdrawals over the phone line chat. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.